Is your dryer door struggling to stay closed? Well, I'm Dustin with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to repair the door catch on your Whirlpool dryer. This also applies to some other great Whirlpool manufacturer brands such as Kenmore, Maytag, Amana, and more. So come along and let's get this situation closed. If you need to purchase a door catch for your Whirlpool dryer, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. The door catch is responsible for keeping your dryer door closed by receiving and holding on to the door strike, which is located in the front panel of the appliance. A bad door catch can cause the dryer door to open during operation, which will cause the dryer to stop mid-cycle. Tools needed: putty knife, Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, needle nose pliers. The latch or catch is located on the top of the inside of the dryer door. To take the latch off, remove the 2 Phillips screws from the top edge of the door. The resistance from the door springs might be enough to separate the door panels, but if not, gently insert the putty knife between the inner and outer door panels near the latch to help separate the door panels. Only separate the door panels far enough to see the back of the door latch. With the back of the door latch exposed, you can see that the latch is held in by 4 points of contact. The top and bottom are held in by the plastic latch, and the sides are held in by the tabs on the metal bracket. Depress the bottom of the plastic bracket to get the bottom tab through the dryer door panel. Once that tab is through, carefully but firmly squeeze the tabs of the metal bracket and push the latch through the mounting hole in the door until the tabs are clear of the door panel. Once the bottom and the 2 sides of the tab are released, gently apply pressure to the top of the tab with your flat blade screwdriver until the latch releases from the door. If you need to purchase a new door catch, make sure you get a manufacturer certified replacement part like the ones that we sell on our website, partsdoctor.com. This door catch is sold individually. However, Whirlpool also sells a door strike and latch kit that includes various strikes and latches for several dryer models. If you're not sure which one is right for your dryer, or your model has more than one strike or latch to replace, the kit may be the best option for you. We'll leave a link in the description below for both. You want to be sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your dryer to be sure you get the correct part. To install, make sure the slot on the latch is in the up and down orientation. As long as the slot is pointing up and down, there isn't an incorrect way to install the latch. Press firmly on the latch until all 4 tabs click into place. Carefully press the 2 door panels back together and then reinstall the 2 screws on the top edge of the door. Check that the door opens and closes properly. Alright, that'll do it for the repair today, but maybe you might just have an issue with this piece right here. This is called the door strike. Whirlpool sells a great kit that includes a door strike and a door catch, which is a great option in case you might have an issue up here as well. I have a video right here that I can link that could show you exactly what comes in that kit and how to replace it. I'm Dustin with Parts Doctor. Until next time, thanks for watching and have a great day.